Hi guys, welcome to an fresh amazing video of our channel Cool Gadget. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So guys, today I am going to show you top 3 camping gadgets which you really need before going for camping. So watch the full video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's start the video. First, Pure to Go water purifier. Don't just filter, purify it. The most advanced unique personal water purifier available. Kills bacteria and viruses on contact and on demand while eliminating cysts. There are dozens of personal water filters and filter bottles on the market that clean water by trapping bacteria and cysts. Many of them are slow, awkward to use and complicated. Unfortunately, bacteria trapped in a moist and sometimes warm environment of a water filter will continue to live and multiply, creating its own water problem. But by far, the greatest limitation of water filters is that they do not eliminate or even trap waterborne viruses that are really the biggest concern of all in drinking water. Pure to Go, the most advanced, unique and multifunctional true water purifier in the world. Pure to Go kills waterborne bacteria and viruses instantly, on contact and on demand, while also completely eliminating waterborne cysts such as Cryptosporidium and Giardia. With Pure to Go, there is no waiting time or preparation required. As contaminated water passes through it, it is purified instantly without holding time and procedures other true water purifiers require. Pure to Go can be used by one person or multiple users with its cleanable and replaceable insert cartridges. Pure to Go will be used over and over again for many years or stored conveniently for potential emergencies and disasters.
With a flow rate of up to 16 ounces per minute and an lots of other accessories for incredible versatility. Pure to Go can even adapt in line with hydration backpacks. Now we may not be the most...
Second, Hammock Crua Hybrid. Tent hammock lets you sleep high or low. Designed with built-in insulated air mattress, detachable sleeping bag and dual connectivity, outdoors adventures should not be complicated or limited by your surrounding environment. Most outdoor gear is built for a single purpose, which causes problems if you can't find a flat piece of land to pitch your tent or 2 trees to hang your hammock between. The Crew Hybrid offers the perfect solution and you will never need to worry again about where to sleep. You can be confident your crew or companion while capable handle every situation you may face on your adventure. A highly hydrophobic ripstop nylon coats the tent for protecting the user from the penetration of water. The interior of tent is also protected by a bug-proof mesh to keep out unwanted intruders. Lightweight and durable aircraft-grade aluminum arc poles equipped with the shock cord system. Third, Grail Ultralight, world's best purifier bottle. Purification and filtration in one press. The Grail Ultralight makes safe, clean, purified drinking water anywhere in the world. Purify water anywhere. After 4 years of obsessing over every detail of its design and performance, we are excited to unveil the Grail Ultralight Purifier Bottle, fast and easy to use. It makes clean, purified drinking water in less than 15 seconds from virtually any freshwater source in the world. It's a game changer and may everywhere will be makes clean, purified drinking water. Only water bottle that anyone, anywhere will ever need. Full spectrum purification plus filtration. Ever spent 3 days attached to a ceramic throne due to bad water? With one press, the Ultralight offers the ultimate protection against pathogens, viruses, bacteria, protozoa, particulates, chemicals and heavy metals. For global travel, outdoor adventure and emergencies, whether you are filling up at a questionable hotel sink in Peru or generally trail needed to drinking from a global or dirty system, or at home prepping a disaster kit, the Ultralight purifier has you covered. save water for any adventure designed for a minimalist seeking the ultimate in convenience, portability and performance. The Ultralight is a perfect counter for walking the globe, traversing a trail, adventure trail or ultra distance anywhere. Single-use plastic water bottle consumption is proliferating at a staggering rate and global plastic pollution is now an epidemic. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update of Cool Gadgets. Thanks.